What are those main factors you think will have the biggest impact on interest rates next year?
Thanks for the opportunity. So, if you look at interest rates, I think there are a number of factors that will impact interest rates. One key thing is going to be inflation, and by around the third quarter next year, we are likely to have single digit inflation, and primarily it's coming off the higher base effect of 2022, and with everything now sort of stabilizing with the very high interest rates that we have currently, and economy sort of contracting as well, we're looking at inflation significantly coming down. And also the other factor is that central bank is looking at improving the liquidity position. We've already seen liquidity levels slightly improve. If you look at 2-3 months ago, we were at around negative 600 billion or so. Now we are like slightly over 200 billion.
Still negative.
Still on the negative side, but it's improving. Basically, they are pumping in liquidity in terms of reverse repos at the moment. With that, we are seeing a slight improvement. We are seeing signs of interest rates also improving or coming down. Because of that, credit has already sort of contracted. That is also helping with the more payments coming into the system.
So what do you think will happen with credit in 2023? Private sector credit to the private sector has been contracting consistently now for several months. Will that continue? Will it reverse?
So no, we think it will contract because we are expecting overall GDP to continue to contract next year as well. We are looking at negative 4 to 6% for 2023, and around minus 9 to 12% for this year. So, but if you take the first 3 quarters, we think there's going to be a start of a recovery in the economy, but first half still it's going to be negative. By around the fourth quarter, you will see positive GDP, and with that we'll see some improvement in credit towards the second half of the year, but overall we are looking at a very low figure of about 2% private sector credit growth, but it's positive.
That is through India, or throughout the year you anticipate from the start to finish 2% or so increase?
Yes, negative in the first half, positive
in the second. So